2018 Audi A5 2.0T review. The new 2018 Audi A5 represents the brand's second generation of its sexy coupe and convertible. For the first time, the US market will also receive the A5 and S5 Sportback, a four-door hatchback body style that was once only available in Europe. Vehicle summary. The 2018 Audi A5 is a compact luxury car that's available as a coupe, convertible, or four-door hatchback. All A5 variants come standard with all-wheel drive. Two performance variants are available, including the S5 and RS5. Overview. The 2018 Audi A5 offers 3 engines, and if you want a 6-speed manual transmission, consider the A5 Coupe. Standard features on the base premium trim include HID headlights, tri-zone climate control, Audi's MMI interface with the 7.0-inch screen, a rear-view camera, keyless entry, start, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, 40/20/40 split folding rear seats, Audi Drive Select, a panoramic roof, and 18-inch alloy wheels. Optional features include full LED headlights, navigation with a larger 8.3-inch screen, a Bang & Olufsen premium audio system, Audi's virtual cockpit system, adaptive damping, a head-up display, and alloy wheels up to 19 inches in diameter. The S5 can be handled with dynamic steering, a sport rear differential, adaptive damping suspension, and red brake calipers. Cargo space in the A5 Coupe is 11.6 cubic feet, and the A5 Convertible has 9.3 cubic feet. The A5 Sportback has the most cargo space at 21.8 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 35 cubic feet behind the front seats. Safety. The NHTSA and ES haven't crash tested the 2018 Audi A5. Automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning are standard on all 2018 A5s. Optional active safety features include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function, lane keeping assist, high beam assist, rear automatic emergency braking, and blind spot warning. What we think? In a 2018 first drive, we said that the A5 Sportback has the same confident handling and overall driving dynamics as the A4 sedan. The interior, in typical Audi fashion, is high quality with excellent materials that feel expensive. The more powerful S5, on the other hand, offers plenty of power and excellent handling. However, the steering, as we noted in a 2018 first drive, doesn't communicate with you. The adaptive damping suspension also helps keep the car composed. In comparison to the car it replaces, the new RS5 features a meteor power band that has more mid-range torque, meaning it's not as rev-happy. In a 2018 first drive, we said that the RS5 continues to offer prodigious grip levels and is a more restrained car than before, still quick, but now better able to travel long distances at high speed without raising a sweat. The dynamic suspension helps keep body motions in check, especially at high speeds, where it keeps the car stable. Cool fact. The Audi A5's base 2.0-liter Turbo 4 is shared with multiple Audi models including the A4, A6, Q5, and A7.